The question says which of the following species does not show disproportionation reaction. Very interesting question. How we can identify which species does not undergo disproportionation redox reaction? How we can identify? Always keep in mind, if the central element present in the species is having minimum oxidation number or maximum oxidation number, it will never undergo disproportionation reaction. Because disproportionation reaction is a reaction in which same element undergoes both oxidation as well as reduction reaction. Okay, always keep in mind, if the central element in a molecular compound is present in its intermediate oxidation number, then it can undergo disproportionation redox reaction. Okay, you can see in all these species, Cl is the central element. Cl is the central element. Okay, and the range of oxidation number of Cl is what? Minimum oxidation number is what? -1, and maximum oxidation number is what? +7 is there. Okay, so in any of these species, if Cl is present in -1 oxidation number or in +7 oxidation number, it will never undergo disproportionation redox reaction. This is what minimum oxidation number, this is what maximum oxidation number. If any oxidation number is coming in between, it can be +1, it can be 0 also, it can be +2, it can be +3, any of the number coming as oxidation number. This is what intermediate oxidation number. If the Cl is present in its intermediate oxidation number in any of these species, will undergo disproportionation redox reaction. In this oxidation number, never. In this oxidation number also, never. So we can calculate the oxidation number. Pay attention carefully. We have 428 minus is there. Chlorine is present in +7 oxidation number. Maximum oxidation number. You can see, if chlorine is present in its maximum oxidation number, it will never undergo disproportionation redox reaction, because it can undergo only reduction reaction. It will never undergo oxidation reaction. In the first option itself, we got the correct answer. You can see we have ClO4 minus. But anyway, we can try for the next one. 2 to the 4 minus is there. Cl is present in +3. Of course, in the intermediate oxidation number. 2 3 6 minus is there. Cl is present in +5 oxidation number, intermediate oxidation number. Okay, ClO minus is there. Cl -2 is equal to -1. Cl is equal to -1 + 2 is equal to +1. Cl is present in +1 oxidation number. This is also intermediate oxidation number. So you can see we have option B, C and D. In this case, Cl is present in intermediate oxidation number, hence it will undergo disproportionate redox and reaction. Okay, but in case of option A, it is present in its maximum oxidation number, hence it will never undergo disproportionation redox reaction. Okay, option A is correct.